Chapter 3: Visualizing Data and Managing Worksheets. Learning Objectives. Introduction to Charts. Advantages of Charts. Elements of a chart. Commonly used chart types. Creating charts. Editing and formatting charts. Formatting chart elements. Moving a chart.
Bhaiya, can we identify trends and patterns in data to visualize complex data?
Of course, Navya. Excel provides various formulas to do complex calculations in a simple and efficient way. Introduction to charts. Sometimes we have large amount of data in a worksheet and want to perform operations such as comparing 2 or 3 values, understanding the relationship between two entities, etc. To accomplish this, we must visualize data using charts and graphs, as graphical representation provides the visual context of the data in a worksheet. Advantages of charts. Charts are the pictorial representation of data values that are arranged in the form of rows and columns. They simplify data by fragmenting it down into smaller chunks of visual information. The various advantages of charts are as follows. Charts present data and information in a compact and effective manner. Charts are easier to understand and help to analyze large amount of data. Charts have a more lasting impression on one's mind than a simple spreadsheet. Elements of a chart. A chart is made up of various elements. These elements are: chart title. It is the descriptive text that appears at the top of the chart. Chart area. This area includes all the objects of the chart. Plot area. This is the rectangular area within the chart area of the chart. X-axis or category axis. This is the horizontal axis of the chart on which each category is represented. Y-axis or value axis. This is the vertical axis of the chart along with the value of each data point is plotted. Data series. These are the bars, lines, slices or other elements that represent the data values. Legend. This helps to identify colors, patterns or symbols assigned to data series. Commonly used chart types. Excel offers a wide range of charts to analyze data. Some of the most commonly used charts are: column chart. A column chart represents data in the form of vertical bars. It is used to compare values among individual items. A column chart displays categories along the horizontal axis and values along the vertical axis. Bar chart. A bar chart represents data in the form of long rectangular horizontal bars. It is generally used to draw comparisons among individual items. In a bar chart, categories are represented on the vertical axis and values are represented on the horizontal axis. Line chart. A line chart displays data in the form of lines. This type of chart uses connecting dots to display trends in data over a period of time. Pie chart. A pie chart displays data in the form of sectors of a circle that make up a data series as a proportion of the sum of items. It is useful when you want to highlight a significant element. Creating charts. To create a chart in Excel, follow the given steps. Step 1. Select the cells containing data for the chart. Step 2. Select the type of chart in the Charts group on the Insert tab. For example, column chart type. Step 3. Now select the chart subtype from the drop-down list. This creates the chart on the currently selected worksheet. You can also click on the dialog box launcher button in the Charts group to see all categories of charts. Editing and formatting charts. As the chart gets created, two new tabs appear on the ribbon: Design tab and Format tab, displaying various chart tools. You can modify the appearance of the inserted chart using commands in these tabs. Changing the chart type. The Change Chart Type option is used to change the type of the existing chart. To change the type of existing chart, follow the given steps. Step 1. Select the chart and click on the Design tab. Step 2. Click on the Change Chart Type option in the Type group. The Change Chart Type dialog box appears. Step 3. Choose the new chart type and its subtype. Step 4. Click on the OK button. Changing chart style. The Chart Styles option is used to change the visual look of the chart. To change the visual look of the chart, follow the given steps. Step 1. Select the chart and click on the Design tab. Step 2. Click on the Chart Styles group to open a gallery of different chart styles. Step 3. Click the style of your choice. Changing data range of a chart. To change the data range of a chart, follow the given steps. Step 1. Select the chart. Step 2. Click on the Select Data option in the Data group under the Design tab. Step 3. The Select Data Source dialog box opens. Make desired changes and click on the OK button. Formatting chart elements. The text, background, border, color, size, axis, and other properties of the chart elements can be easily formatted using the Format task pane that appears on the right once the chart is selected. Let us learn to format some elements of a chart. Formatting plot area. Formatting options of Format plot area task pane. Fill and line. Used to fill color, picture, texture, or line color. Effects. Used to apply 3D effects, glow and shadow. Formatting data series. Formatting options of Format data series task pane. Fill and line. Used to fill color, picture, texture, or line color. Effects. Used to apply 3D effects, glow and shadow. Series options. Used to make changes in the plotted series. Similarly, we can format legend and axis using Format task pane. Moving a chart. You can easily shift the chart from one sheet to another or to a new sheet. To move a chart, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click on the Design tab. Step 2. Click on the Move Chart option from the Location group. The Move Chart dialog box appears. Step 3. Select the desired option, New Sheet or Object in as needed and click the OK button. Now the chart will get shifted to the desired location. Tricky terms. Analyze. To study closely and carefully. Sparklines. Tiny chart in a worksheet. Memory block. Charts provide graphical representation of the data in a worksheet. The main elements of a chart are chart area, y-axis or value axis, x-axis or category axis, plot area, chart title, legend, and data series. Excel offers a wide range of charts to analyze the data. Column chart, bar chart, line chart, and pie chart are the commonly used chart types in Excel. We can easily edit and format the chart elements such as text, background, boundary color, size, axis, etc.